Hello everybody, this is a video to help you how to remove these touch buttons on the front panel. If your panel buttons on the screen are not responsive, you can do the steps like the video show. Firstly, you need to go into Settings app. Factory, enter the PIN 336A, confirm. Find this option, Panel Key Running. If you have already this button studied on this panel, you need to clear them first. Choose this button, Clear First. Before you are going to remove this button, you can go into these settings to increase this data to make it responsive. Now we are going to remove these buttons. Please note that when you touch it, you need to touch it in the right position with more area with your finger. Power, home, back, navigation, volume up, volume down. After you finish these buttons, you need to clear this button. Clear Save. Running success. Home. Navigation. Back. Volume up. Volume down.